Welcome back Excel learners. In this video I'm going to show you how we can scrap data from different websites by using Excel Power Query, and it's an extremely powerful method to scrap data from different websites. Okay, with no further ado, let's dive into the video. I'm going to scrap data from Baseball 7 website. Baseball 7th. Okay, I'm going to this website. My focus is to extract data for players batting. Here you can see the all the players here and their matrices. They are like hundreds of rows here, 140 rows, and I want to extract this data. So in order to extract this data by using Excel Power Query, you just need to copy and paste this URL from this website and go to the Excel. After going to the Excel, go to the data tab and get data from other sources from web. Then you need to wait for a few seconds and you will be asked to paste the URL that you have copied from the website. Then paste that URL and click OK, and it will take a few seconds to load all the informations that are in the website. Wait for a few seconds. It is loading. Wait. It depends on the internet connection and it's how fast it is. Okay, we are all set. You can see in the left side there are different tables, HTML tables here. It is embedded in the HTML. Basically I want this table. We saw this table in the website, so I want to extract this whole table. So in order to extract this table, you can just click load and it will load into the Excel. Or if you want to modify before loading, you can go to the transform data and there you can just delete some columns totally, or join two columns or change the data types from there. You can do that, and if you don't need to, you just can click load and it will load the whole data into the Excel sheets. Let's minimize it. You can see it is loading table number 11, that is we want from that website, and this table will be loaded. Wait, I think it found an error. We need to refresh it again. Okay, it's loading now. From here you can in the right side you can just click this refresh button and it will just refresh automatically. If you found any errors, that is my one found error, that's why I clicked it and refreshed it. So it's loaded. You can see all 140 rows are loaded now, and this data is now automatically connected to the website. And if the website updates their information, you can, and you want to update your data as well, you can just click a refresh button from here. It will load, or just you can see here it is reloading, that means it is updating, or you can just reload from here, going to the data tab and refresh all by clicking it. Both the methods work. So this is how you can scrap data from different websites and load the tables of information that you want into Excel and work on it. And it is a real-time connection and it is fully automated. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.